Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to save pictures from Pinterest. So as you guys can see here, I've already opened the Pinterest on my phone, and if I'm interested in a picture and want to save it, you just need to click on the picture first. For example, this one's right here, and then the save button will pop up like this in the red one, so you obviously can see it, and you can just click on this, and just like that the picture has been saved into your profile. So you can do this to another picture. For example, I want to save this pictures also, so you can just click on that, and again your favorite picture has been saved into your profile. Okay, so that's all for me. That is how you can save picture from Pinterest. I hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you all in the next videos. Bye bye.